This camera is so tiny. Hi guys. Oh, hi guys. It is me, and I'm shooting with the Canon EOS M50 right now. Oh, I love it. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, hi and welcome. My name is Adesholamie. Please be sure you subscribe to me by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also smash that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a brand new video. Alright guys, so in today's video I am going to do like an unboxing video, but this is not like a first impression kind of video, because if you are not new to this channel, you know I don't have so much chills to do unboxing videos. Like I like to see the content of the items I ordered for, just in case something went wrong. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. However, I have not done any settings at all to the camera. I have not even taken a picture with it or a video, because I didn't buy a new memory card. I'm going to remove the memory card from the current camera I'm filming with. I'm currently filming with this Canon 700D, and I've had this camera for the longest time. It is a camera after my heart, I must say. But we decided to upgrade just a little, you know, just a little. And I bought the Canon EOS M50. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to buy a camera for a very long time, and I bought it a long time ago in my mind. Actually, I was not supposed to buy this M50. I was in between the Canon M50 Mark II and the M6 Mark II, but I did make some calls to some of my friends that are photographers and videographers, and they did tell me to just buy the M50. Like the price difference is like 150,000 naira, which is a lot of money. But yes, since we are unboxing this video, this camera right here, let's just unbox it together. It has already been unboxed, as you can see. I unboxed it already, and then I had to charge the camera, because when I tried the camera inside, I noticed that it was flat dead. So I had to charge the camera, so I've already removed the camera. But I'm not just going to show you how it came and all. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. It says Canon. It says, let me show you. Like fam, this thing better focus and not move more today. Yes, it says EOS M50 Canon Nigeria, and I bought this in because I didn't buy it from Amazon. But I'm going to leave a link down in the description box where you can buy like a creator's kit on Amazon. However, if you're in Nigeria right now, the current exchange rate is really high, that it discourages people to buy something from Amazon. If you have to buy this M50 on Amazon right now, or even Canon website, is about $700. So $700 times, let's even say you're buying it for $450. That's like almost 300 and something thousand plus. Like, it's way more expensive than this. Like, where's my phone? Let's say 700 times 450, that's 315,000, excluding tax, excluding shipping fee. Even if you are shipping to a third party, you're still going to ship, and then it's still going to take a very long time. So it's equivalently like the same thing. So I just thought of like buying here in Nigeria, because I would have really loved to buy the creator's kit that came with everything. Again, looking at it, I'm not going to call myself a beginner when it comes to camera and lighting accessories. I basically have like everything, even pros have. I think, because there's anything I'm buying is just going to be extra to make it more better. Not like I'm just coming into the game like fresh start and all. But if you're just starting off and you want to buy like a microphone, this, that, I think that's just a great buy. I think I've said well soon over what I'm supposed to say. So yeah, this is what it came in, and this is the box. This is the box. This is the box. This is the box. Again, this is the box. Yeah, so it came with this manual right here. It just says EOS M50 manual. It also came with this, I don't know what this is, but it says it's like a voucher or something. Yeah, and your warranty card. Nobody really uses this warranty card in this part of Nigeria, or in Nigeria nobody uses the warranty card, I think so. And one thing about cameras is that I don't think they develop any fault at all. I've been using my camera for over 3 years, and I can tell you that I've been using this camera, and I can tell you that it has really actually never given me any fault, aside from the fact that it has a very low light situation. But I did got lenses and enough light to make that better. It's what I'm filming with too, and I think this is like not bad. What's this? It's like not really bad, if I'm going to say that. Yeah, so other things we have inside the camera is that inside the box we have the camera itself, and this camera is so tiny. It's so tiny, and because I was so excited to receive this camera. Can you see how small it is? Like, I can just vlog, I can hold this and vlog anyway. And one of the reasons why I upgraded is because I wanted a vlogging friendly camera, if that makes sense at all. Yeah, I wanted something I can move around with. This camera is way too bulky for me. No. So that is one of the reasons why I decided to upgrade. So this is what the camera looks like. Yeah, can you see? It's really compact. It's really compact, and we just have the basic things that we are going to have on regular cameras. And this one uses a Wi-Fi. It uses a Bluetooth. You can plug your HDMI, your camera to laptop. It uses a mic. It is very important that whenever you're buying a camera at all, you should have like a mic output, or is it mic input? I don't know what it's being called, but a mic input. And most of this mic kind of uses the 3.5 jack mount, I think. Yeah, most. I didn't say all. Yeah, so it also came with a strap. It is very important that you have a strap with your camera, because hey, this thing can fall at any time. It's a lot of money. I bought this for 310,000 naira. 310,000. That's a lot of money. It also came with this power cord. It came with 2 power cords actually. The other one I'm going to show you when I unplug the battery, but this is a power cord. This is just a little bit smaller. I don't think I'm going to be using, because I have a lot of these cords in my house here. Yeah, and it came with a 15 to 45mm lens, and it's so tiny, and it's really lightweight. Can you see? I hope it doesn't fall. But yeah, it's so lightweight, and it's so tiny. Like, by the time you fix this onto your camera, it's not going to be really bulky, and it's just the perfect camera for me. In fact, I was thinking of buying G7 Mark II or Mark III, but after watching a lot of videos, I realized that, sis, that camera does not have a mic output, and I'm a great fan of good audio quality. You guys are not going to watch my video if it sounds like, so you always want to take note when you're buying a camera for videos. Okay, so this is the extra power cord it came with. This one has the 3 mount kind of. Can you see? Yeah, where you can just plug directly to the socket, and it's just the same. It's just the same thing as this, just that you can just, I don't know why I have 2 of this, because even in my 700, I brought it brand new. It came with a charger, this kind of cable. It came with but it's not this battery charger stuff. This one is different. Let me show you guys. Looks like this. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and it uses LPE12 battery. That is the kind of battery. And because I mostly film in my studio here, I'm going to have to get that AC/DC battery pack, something which I already ordered for. So when it gets here, I'm going to do like an update kind of for you, to show you the accessories I eventually paired with this. Yeah, so basically that's just everything. It came with nothing more, nothing less. I remember when I bought this 700, it came with a lot of stuff. It came with 2 discs. One is supposed to be for updating, for upload or downloading or something, softwares or something. But now I think you can just go to Canon website and download all of those stuffs, which makes it better, easier, and more convenient for everybody. Then it also came with, there's this kind of cable that you can pair from your camera to your system, which allows you to see yourself on the screen just like I can see myself on the screen while filming. Yeah, so that's, but it didn't come with that. But this is just the camera basically, and I'm going to do like a first impression video kind of, because I'm actually not filmed with it at all, no picture, I've not even done any setting, which we are going to try that now. So let's just open it. It opens up like this. Can you see? This is really, really small, really tiny. I'm so excited. And this is the lens. So let me open up the lens, and to fix your lens, there's this white stuff that is there. This white stuff, you just want to put it, like you just want to put and clip it in. When you buy your camera, you know how to do that thing. But like it's just very easy anyway. So let's remove this here, and I'm going to put the battery pack. What I was saying about the battery is that because I watched a lot of videos, I already kind of know the stuff I would be pairing with this camera, including lenses and all. I think I'm quite lucky to have a couple of photographers and videographers as friends, so I always seek for their opinion when I'm lost. Yeah, so we have the camera like this, and I'm just going to turn it on, and it comes on. Yeah, so it comes on, and the first thing I have to set the date and time. What's today's date? Today should be 5. Yeah, and one great thing about Canon cameras, I think most Canon cameras, is the fact that they are touch screen. Yeah, so I'm just going to set the date real quick. February 2021. Yeah, and the time is 7:56. So I'm just going to put it to 7:50. Let's say 57. 57. Yeah. Okay. I can't show you what I'm doing, but it's asked for my time zone. I'm going to put London set. Okay, time difference. It says push and hold the lens switch in triangle direction and then rotate the lens to enable shooting. So to open up the lens, you just have to, there's this button right here. There's this button right here that you just have to push forward, which enables the lens to open up. Can you see? Yeah, when you push it, it just makes it come out, goes in. So yeah, that's just basically what it is. And oh fam, without any settings, I think I really love the camera. I love what I'm seeing from it. And one good thing is that this camera shoots in 4K. Oh, the settings is just somehow looks so white. Oh nah. So I'm just going to quickly do a little bit of setting. I'm going to tweak it a bit and then show you guys what it looks like filming with this camera. First impression with a little bit of setting, like manual setting. I don't shoot in auto. The last time I shot in auto was probably when I started YouTube videos. Like maybe my first 2 videos was the last time I used auto. By the time you know how to set your cameras in manual, you enjoy it. Like it's just very simple, it's not simple, but just very easy, more convenient. You tend to get better quality out of it. But looking at this camera like this, it's not all that bad. I got a tripod for it, and trust me, I don't think that tripod is the best, except you don't need the remote. Like the remote is so complicated and I find it rather useless. Let me look for it. So I got this Lens Go tripod. A lot of people, this tripod has quite a lot of reviews, good reviews I must say, but surprisingly it's just nonsense to me. I must say, I'm so sorry. It's very good though, but if you use like an iPhone 11 upward, then it's probably not going to work for you, because the phone holder cannot hold your phone, whether you have it with pouch or not. I don't know, but even if you're going to use your phone, I don't think you should use your phone with a phone holder without a pouch, because it can probably scratch it. This sheet does not expand so much that, but it was able to fit in my iPhone 8 Plus, the 8 Plus, yes, my iPhone 8 Plus was able to fit in. I said we are going to just be okay with this tripod like this. But aside from that, It is nonsense. Yeah, it is nonsense. And the remote is nonsense. The remote is just nonsense. It's just nonsense. I deserve a refund. Where is the remote? Like, it literally disconnects every time you try to take a picture with it. I don't know, but if it's just for this tripod that looks like this, then we can just manage the tripod. But if you want to say the remote or this thing, nonsense. There's also one other thing. If you use GoPro stuff, I had to watch one review like that for me to understand that it was for GoPro. Yeah, so if you use GoPro, it's going to work for you. Aside from that, then I think it's just nonsense. Yeah, so that does basically everything what the camera looks like. So the next clip is going to be me showing you what it looks like filming with the camera with just a little bit of a tiniest tweak settings. And I would even shoot in auto and shoot in manual so that you guys can see the little difference. Okay, yeah. So that's going to be it. Yeah. Okay, guys. So this is me filming with the Canon M50, and this is what it looks like. This is what it sounds like with the way my previous setting was, and I'm not using any microphone. In fact, I just realized that I can't use the HDMI cord I had before with my system because everything about this camera is just really, really small. I hope you can hear me. I'm really screaming. Let me turn off my fan. Oh God. Yeah. Okay, just stop, bro. Stop, bro. Stop, bro. Yeah, so this is what it sounds like. My fan is still showing a bit, and you can see that my background is not even blurry because of the what is it called? The f-stop of this lens. It has a very high f-stop of 3.5, and the lens I was using before had an f-stop of 1.8, and I was currently filming on 2.2 or 2.5. Now this is on 3.5, and it's not bad, but I'm not seeing myself on the camera. I'm literally even looking at the LCD screen. I'm not looking into the lens. But anyway, I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say. This is just what it looks like filming with the Canon EOS M50 without an external microphone, without any settings, just straight out of the box. And this is me filming in auto. This is it, filming in auto. Now let's switch to manual. Let's just do a little bit of setting, tweaking, and let's see the outcome. Currently shooting in manual with my microphone. I hope you guys can see or can hear how crisp this microphone. I don't know, but when I'm editing it, I'm going to know. Yeah, well, I think it's going to be really dope. Hey guys, yeah, so this is me and this is what is going on behind me. As you can see, the lens is really wide, so you can see literally everything going on behind me. I can zoom in and zoom out. So it uses 3.5mm jack mount or output or input, whatever they call it. So the only thing that doesn't work here now, and another huge difference between my former camera is that this uses lenses that are EFM mount. So if I'm going to be using my previous lenses with ease, I'll have to buy an adapter, which I already bought. It's yet to get to me. Okay, so that's just it. So this is manual. Let me just try to zoom out or zoom in a bit, and it's really clear. Fam. Hi guys, it is me and I'm shooting with the Canon EOS M50 right now. I love it. The only thing is that my background, I'm not having a blurry background, which I don't like. So if I'm going to be filming with this camera temporarily, that means I'm going to have to change my background so that you won't see the details of everything going on, because it's really distracting looking at me and looking at my background as well. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, this is what it looks like, and I think I like the focusing. The focusing is quite good. It focuses really fast. Like, I think it's good. It's good. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and it looks great. It looks really, really great. I like it. I really like it. My 700D can never do this. Like, not even what I'm saying right now. This is, I've said a lot in this video. Yeah, I need to take a trip. So this is what it looks like. Thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, I'm saying this in my third clip because I don't know which I'm going to use for the ending part of this video. But if this is what I'm using, thank you very much. You can like, subscribe, share, and do all of those good stuff. Thank you very much. My name is Adeshola. I hope to see you in my next video. Peace out.